Today, we embark on a journey to unlock the full potential of Smartdraw, which is the ultimate diagramming powerhouse. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this tutorial will guide you through every feature step by step so you can create stunning and impactful visuals. First, you need to go to the smartdraw.com web link and hit Start Now. You will be greeted by a popular templates page. Now, with countless templates categorized by purpose over this panel over here, as you can see, a lot of professions like IT, landscape design, legal, science and education, or some of the popular diagrams that has been used by popular organizations like Amazon or Microsoft Azure. So Smartdraw has been very clever in categorize all the diagrams into the exact purpose you need a diagram for. So for example, if I want a flowchart, then I will hit the flowchart templates, and down here there is a list of endless of examples for you to choose. Streamline flowcharts for workflow examples, BM, BP, MN, every single diagram that people ever figured out. Smartdraw has it all. Now, your job is to choose the template that truly represents the work that you need to be done. So for example, I want a process map, customer order processing. I'm going to choose this template. So obviously, no single templates can replace all of the thing that you need. You need to do some kind of editing. So when you have chosen your template, you will be forwarded to the editing window. So the first feature I want to introduce with you is the drag and drop the shape to add some more visuals for your diagrams. So as you look at here, over this left side panel, there is a shape icon, and here you could choose a number of symbols, a number of shapes, and if you want to add, and if you feel like it wasn't enough and the kind of shape you want to add in doesn't appear on this list, then you need to scroll down and looking for the shapes that you kind of need. And still, if you can't find the exact one you need, then you could hit more and then looking for every single symbol that's existed on this earth over here. Okay, and then you hit add library over here, and then hit OK, and then just drag the kind of symbols that you want to add in. So not only can you just add the symbols, but you can also customize the style. Customize the styles, customize the themes. Here, I have changed the themes to farmer, and it becomes more vibrant, more colorful over here. And if you want to change the color and fill the colors, then just hit fill and choose your color. Then if you want to edit the opacity, feel free to do it. Here it has been opaque. Here you could even edit, or you could add some kind of effects for the shapes, like shadow or glow. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to add some line with the symbols. So you hit line here, and you can choose all the lines in the world that you want. So if you want a curve connector, please just draw it everywhere you want here. And when you drag to the shape that you want to connect it with, then it will appear the dots for you to connect, and then you connect it wherever you want. So here it would connect it like this. Add some more. Add some more. Draw some line over here. There you go. You can customize everything so that the diagrams becomes very intuitive to you. I'm just making an example and showing you the features. So let's explore some more of the essential tools that empower your diagramming journey. So use this shape format to change the shape. Or you could edit the shape outline by hitting edit shape outline here. And what it will do is it will only adjust the angle that you are choosing to edit. So as you can see here, I can change it to a different kind of shape over here. Whereas if you don't choose that option, then when you're trying to edit the shape, it will only expand or shrink, as you can see here. So now one of the next basic tool is to edit the text. Here you already have some kind of text in the shape itself, so I want to keep it, but the font size and the font style doesn't really fit my personal preference, so I'm going to edit it. So I'm going to choose a different font style. Let's choose Francois one, and then I will edit this font size, make it bigger, use a different color for it, I want a red. I want a red. Not only that, you can add a symbol within the text itself. If you hit this button on this panel, and then choose the kind of symbols you want, and hit OK. And there it is, the symbol that you've chosen, and it has been added. Now, organization is key. So use the formatting and layout tools to arrange and resize your shapes with ease. So employ some grids over this page here. If you hit grid, then you could easily align the chart as you wish. Or you can add rulers to easily calculate the distance between the shapes. Now that you have grasped the fundamental tools and features, let's put them into practice. Choose a project you are working on, find a relevant template, and start building your masterpiece. Don't hesitate to experiment with different shapes, styles, and layouts. Remember, the key is to have fun and explore the possibilities. So once you're satisfied with your work, it's time to share it with your collaborators. So if you want to share, just hit this button right here. But the share feature is only for the pro plan. So if you want to work as a team, you need to buy the pro plan, and I'm guaranteeing you, it is extremely worth it. Today, you have taken the first step towards becoming a Smartdraw master. Take what you have learned and explore the resources available, and never stop experimenting. And I will see you in the next video.